Boys, how we doing, man? How are we doing, gents? Let me get my chat over on my right side. Here we go. Just banging this little video up, lads. Give me 2 secs. Oh, you wonder where I've been. So yeah, crucial area right now for EU. This is what the main trade we was looking at this morning. During the pre-London was allowing for price to come down to the Friday 50 and then look for longs. But obviously, it's happened very, very late. Very late. I mean, we took Friday 50 at 11:15. It's not massively late, but in terms of when we try to get in, it's not optimal at all. Let me just get these links in, then, boys. But nonetheless, boys, I'm actually quite happy that today price has started to want to come back down to equilibriums, right? That's a way smoother market, a market I want to be in. That's a market I want to see, that I want to be in. So I am very happy that EU has had that move. I know Lou had that short. I think he got out at break even. I think the short was really nice because again we needed for price to come down, but at the same time I think it was quite smart for break even because. I don't know where price is going to come to, but I feel like again it's a bearish dollar market. It's a bearish dollar market, but again we'll see the reaction we have here, right? We'll see the reaction we have. We could go for sells or buys here, continuational sells, or we could have these reversal buys. All depends on this 15-minute. Again, the reason why we're using the 15-minute because we have taken pretty much a daily level, the Friday 50. That's why we're looking at the 15, and we're in a 4-hour. So again, 15-minute makes a bit more sense. Boys, how we doing, man? Josh, what's good, man? Aaron was fucking good. Other Josh, what's good? Make a wish, Josh. Yes! Phil, what's good, man? What is good? I think this week has been a bit of a write-off, man. Just because Valtra... I mean, price... I think, again, bias, we've been told again that we've got a weak dollar, which I think, for me, I feel happy about. Because, again, we still understand this. But we're going to have these retracements. As we always say, market never always comes up. So you're going to have price come back down to these equilibrium levels. And today the Friday 50 was the perfect one, mixed with the 4-hour. But again, we're going to see the reaction here. We could still move down on the 15 and want to come lower, which again, I'm all for, bro. I ain't even going to lie, I'm all for. On the 4-hour, in terms of discount, we've definitely not come to it. So I think right now, just for this Seoul New York session, I know we have come to the 50. Oh, we have. I think I was using this range when I was looking at it before. And we didn't actually quite come down to it. Let me get that on. This is EU, bro. This is EU. So this is our vital area. I'm going to stay on this until we sort of see the reaction we have, because I just want to get these links out. For some reason, it takes me so long to get these links sent into the Discord, bro. It's not... So I barely just want to start talking about trading. Boys, we're mad close to 25k subs as well, which is brazy. Crazy fucking digits, you, man. I appreciate it. Alright, let's get on TikTok. But again, this is the important 15. I'd say everyone right now on EU, this is what you want to have your eyes on. This is what you want to have your eyes on. If we start seeing the trade through, then we can start seeing a flip. If not, we continue down. Continuation of sales if you didn't get in from like detail areas. Stu was ridiculously unlucky today on EU. He shorted EUD2 just a little bit too early. I think it was about 5 to 7, I want to say, and then price come and wicked up as soon as we had like European Open. So very unlucky on that one, man. Is anyone else in trades right now? What else is everyone in? I've mainly only really been looking at sort of EU and like UJ. Really, just for a bit more knowledge on the yen. Because I know some people again were trying to buy UJ, but I still can't stress the bullishness from the yen we're gonna have for the next. I'm not even too sure, but we're gonna have that whether we fucking like it or not. Can you just come over here more, bruv? Are you friends, guys? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? Are we friends? The fuck do you mean by that, brother? Get back a bit, you thing. I feel like it's just gonna have to be much on this one now. Are we friends? Yeah, me and Lou, you could say we're friends. I don't really look at us as friends. I look at us as more just like, we're not really mates at all. Me and Lou. I imagine that. Imagine that though. Imagine this whole time like me and Lou like weren't actually mates. Like we genuinely didn't actually know each other like at all. Like we just come across each other because we trade. Imagine this whole time you man thought we were like bestest of mates, but we actually secretly didn't like each other. Like whenever we went away on holiday and shit, we stayed in separate gaffs. We just whenever we did like a live, we just linked up, did a live and just left. Imagine if that was the case. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm really waiting on EU buyers. I'm just waiting to confirm if New York is going to continue the sells, or if we're going to get this reversal. That's the crucial. That's why this 15 minutes is so crucial, man. Nice to meet you, Rakes. Is it Rakes? Rakes, nice to meet you, my broski. Hope you're well, man. Where are you from, Rakes? Jed, what's good, broski? How we doing, man? How we doing? Kels, how we doing? But imagine that, man. That'd be funny. That'd be good. Looks like we're having a nice drop out. Again, we want to see a closure either to the upside or downside of this 15 to really dictate if we're going to... Because, again, coming to even more of a discount would be favourable for us come end of week, come next week. Lovers instead. Well, what the hell? Let's get some tunes on as well, man. My EU re-entry running. Lou, send it to me on Discord, bro. Where was the re-entry? Was the re-entry from this 5 minute, wasn't it? It was from this 5 or 15 minute, I think. Yeah, 50%. Richest part-time lovers. Was it Friday? We'll just go. What was it again, Lou? 10 pip stop. What was you aiming for, Lou? But discount is honestly, to be brutally honest, the most favourable area for us. Again, to actually allow price to be way more structured for us end of week and also next week. Bearing in mind February's going to be... Let's have a little look, Lou. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 9580. Nine five eight three. I was 83. I feel like I've actually kind of lost my secret bunning spot because in these streams I actually bun a vape and my secret bunning spot is always like here. But now I just realised, bro, I moved my camera so now I don't even really have a secret bunning spot, bro. Kind of shot myself in the foot here. That is running beautifully as well. Look at the entry on that, it's insane. What did you actually enter off Lou? Was it the 5 minute? 50% of the 5 minute, I'm assuming. Let me mark that up instead. Oh, that was raining. I still want this 15 marked out because I don't know if we're going to close to the downside. Yes, we close to the downside. That is massively favourable for the shorts. Massively favourable for the shorts. Gold now trade active. Gold new trade active. Watch ICT. Okay. Oh, okay. We need bold power today. Sorry, what do you even mean by that, bro? Bro, what do you actually seriously mean by that? What's the first song on the stream? Okay, I fucked up. Boom, this is the first fucking song. Are you joking? 2010 Rihanna. This was Lou's re-entry short, just from the end of that London stream. That's what this is, Slimmer. Or Simmer. What's your name? Simmer. Simmer. Bro, this is a banger. Josh about to come through with a few Carly Minogue bangers today as well. And where was initial entry? What was target for it as well? OT was like about OT 476. Where was that initial entry? This was the one that got break even. I want to say here, is that right? I want to say this was the initial 476. Yeah, that needs to be sent to the right. Bro, I did a buy on that. That's literally Euro USD. I'll be honest, I don't think buy is a bad position, bro. Honestly, if you're buying EU and you stop loss, don't feel like a donor. I'll be so honest. Like, for me, I'd say I'd risk on it. I placed an EU today. I did an EU this morning. I didn't want to place it on my main fundeds because it didn't come down to the Friday 50. So I just placed it on a 200k challenge I had. Because we've seen in the last, 3 days and maybe the last couple of days last week, price hasn't come to that 50% of the prior day or even to major high volume areas. So that's why I feel like, Jesse, what's fucking good, broski? What's good, man? So that's why I feel like if you're trying to long, don't feel like a donut, man. I'll be real with you, don't. The market is bullish, we're massively weak dollar. It's just a market retrace at times. You can't be right all the time, lads, bro. If you're buying, don't worry, broski. Keep buying. Don't stress about it, brother. I smashed my TPS down EU 1.2 called yesterday. Lovely stuff, man. What did you get? What, a short or long? Because I feel like at the moment in the market, you generally could make money from either side. Especially with leading up to these fundamentals. Mate, how many meetups are you guys planning for this year? I don't even know, bro. We're planning to go away a long time this year, so I'll be real. A lot of you guys, bro, we got to be doing abroad ones. I think this year, Richesse is mainly going to be abroad again, which will be fucking active. But you guys have to be coming out with us, man. Yeah. I've been long since last week, bro. I've been fucking long since fucking start of 2025, blood. I'll be so honest with you. I've been so strong for the EU. So strong for EU. But nice oh, I'm gonna call you Droopy then. A Droopy. I think that's taking you out, not gonna lie, gone above the recent high. Say that again. I think that's taking you out. Oh, this one here. You think this is taking it out? Are you in a buy now? Is that what you're saying? Or did you get stopped out this morning? What are you trading? This is Euro USD, bro. Trade FX. This is Euro USD. I currently want to start looking for potential continuations on gold as well. We was looking at these DTOs, but the price action looks so awful to the upside, especially with this most recent range here. You said that fair value gap at the lowest point. I took a bite off of it. What time frame, brother? Was it the 5 minute? 5 minute 15? GU sales, mate. Check it out. Let's have a little look at GU, man. Where are we at the moment? Yeah, definitely. Especially if you're not below no minute discount. Yeah, I still want to see price come down. GU's so strong as well. But we are expecting those cuts next week from the. Actually, no. I think we're holding rates. I think we're actually holding rates, actually, the BOE. I think I was looking at it this morning. I think. Oh, this song's kind of gay, I'm not gonna lie. It's cold when it starts for the first 5 seconds and it turns to actually kind of the Venice during the word. Hi, what you saying, bro? What's good, brother? I like the idea of GU shorts, but again, we're in the same area. Let's allow price to wait. I mean, GU hasn't even taken up Friday 50, so it is kind of jarring, but. Yeah, that's the thing. GU's been a lot more stronger, so if you look in the 4 hour, we've not actually retraced anywhere near how much we did on EU. Like, anywhere near. Which is kind of fucking unfortunate, bro. It's kind of unfortunate. By the way, boys, if you're on the TikTok, come jump on the YouTube. This is mainly where I'm streaming on, brothers. Get your asses on there. It looks like, yeah, we are mainly looking for a hold, yeah. So we're mainly forecasting a hold for interest rates. That tick up of inflation, tick up of growth, tick up of retail sales, PMI strong. We've had some insane fucking data at the UK at the moment. So. Can we come to the 50% range? Frick knows, bro. Frick knows. Yeah, we're nowhere near it as well. It's a pain in the arse. Things as well, it's sort of the same scenario with DXY. EU is definitely the anomaly, and the blatant reason for that is just the strength within the European economy. It's just so good. But again, the weakness that it's had recently, and we can see that because the EU's actually retraced a bit deeper into this range, but I guess we are kind of using this low here, so even for EU we need to come down even further. So again, I still respect this shorts down, but the way we've not actually pushed down yet, it's kind of got me kind of concerned, bro. I did really want to start seeing price, if he was going to move down off this 15 minute here, to really start moving down and start breaking slow, but we're not really seeing any structural difference. We saw a close out of the 15, which gets me excited to see price move to the downside, and again, come to that deeper Friday 50, especially for GU and the dollar. But we're not fucking getting it, man. We're not really getting that volume. Price hasn't reacted to something that it's happy with yet, by the seams of it. So, I still would be cautious. I would still be cautious. For New York, we still got to play our cards right. I think for the London move, we was definitely bearish. Shorts were great, especially from Asia High. Asia liquidity was on top today from the Asia sweep. I think it was hard to get in. Was there the 5? I know, definitely could have got in. Yeah, that was actually the trade this morning, man. Again, against trends, kind of anal shriven. I'll probably mainly trade gold. Yeah, I mean, I think gold off DTO is sort of what I was looking at, but the price action off of it just fucking put me off massively. I mean, it screams we're going to the downside, even though there's probably a massive high chance it won't. But the point is that there's no fair values to actually come back to price, so it does make it hard to continue and aim for a reversal when you don't really have a reversal on that 5 minute. But I guess because my entry is more on the 5 minute, it does just genuinely make it a little bit more harder to with gold, especially with the way it moves. Because we're going to see a lot more volume be traded upon what, 1, half 1, 2 open. Yeah, I saw that, Vish. That was unlucky, man. What was it? It's like a 2.5 to 1 as well. Would have been a nice little chop. Would have been a lovely little chop. Stu was unlucky. He had like I think it was like a 3.5 hour trade. I think he just entered, what, 5 minutes too early. Got ticked out, and then about 3.5. I think a few people were quite unlucky this morning. I'm bullish on EU. Yeah, that is the over. That is the main view right now, man. One pair is all you need. I agree, bro. I agree. Am I bullish or bearish EU? It depends on what time frame you're asking me, bro. Because I have completely different opinions depending on the time frame. Higher time frame, we are blatantly bullish euro over the dollar. Everyone's fading the dollar. It's a massively dollar selling market. It has been for near enough the last 2 years now. So if you don't know that, then take that into account. The dollar has been selling off for the last couple of years, and the only positions I've been taking for the last couple of years have been EU buyers, very little GU buyers, and EG buyers. Very little EG buyers. Mainly EU buyers has been my main position for the last 2 years. And I'm only going for EU buyers on my main account. That's all I'm going for. At the moment anyways. That is still the narrative of the market. And that is what I've been capitalising for the last couple of years. I say last couple of years, the last year. I make it sound like it's been 2 years, but it's only Jan. But 2025, 2026, that is the narrative of the market for me, and still will be until further notice. Really, we haven't had any massive economic change to any economy to really see that the dollar's going to start becoming a lot more bullish. If anything, we've got more chance of actually getting weaker in the future, especially with the decrease of interest rates, which again would bolster the stock market. So would favour the stocks, would not favour the dollar. Trump come out recently, said he doesn't really give a fuck about the dollar getting weaker, which I kind of get. I actually understand. I fully understand as the president. Again, everything becomes cheaper. You can sell, you can export easier. Everything's cheaper. In other countries, everything's cheaper, so people buy more US stuff. Manufacturing will boom. It's always been his goal to increase manufacturing within the US, and this is that would help him as well. So I think it makes sense. I think the sell the dollar narrative for the last 2 years has made so much sense. That's why I've not even ever felt the need on my actual live funded accounts to go against that trend, even if there's some form of a short-term retracement, which there always is, right? There always is. Should I long GU now? I wouldn't long it now. I would honestly wait. We're still in this bearish on the lower. So if you really want to have that sort of stronger analysis, you really want to be looking at both the higher and the lower. And the lower is still telling us we are kind of weak on the 5. Yeah. I'm in gold longs from 5255. Lovely stuff, bro. You got a really nice price. Where did you get in about? You got in probably just above DTO, didn't you? Yeah, nice. We've not actually traded through, so I'm gonna wait for this 15, see how we trade through, and then I'll look for potential longs on the way back up. I'm honestly looking for gold to soar. Still looking at 6k really. Price isn't really chilling out. 1 to 2. Oh, nice, Fish. Nice. Any wins on the signals? No wins on the signals this week, boys. None. None. Silver longs if it inverts this 15-minute gap. Wow, silver actually looks way better to long. Plus, I'd actually rather long silver. Yeah, bro, you know what? Fuck gold, low-key. Let's wait till we get the trade out of this 15. But bearing in mind, we've only got about 30 seconds. We don't have any high impact sort of in the next few hours. We've only got FOMC, which is late. We've got a bunch. Oh, we've got interest rates from Canada. I won't really do anything. It's a hold of interest rates. Are you in this trade? No, this is the one. This was the one that Louis was looking to re-enter on. On a challenge account. I'm actually looking to re-enter a possible mainly EU. An EU buy if we get price start flipping because we come to that Friday 50. But I could definitely see price coming lower because we do have the 50% on the 4 hour on the sell side still. Send my position on gold to DM. Oh, nice. Let's have a little look still. Oh, you got in on the detail. Did you actually? Oh, did you get in that? Nice, man. Nice, dude. Inverting a 15-minute nicely. What's that on, Ion? In shorts too. Nice scenario. How'd they go for you, bro? Where did you get in? This strat is a little bit more detail-ish and just continuation of the Asia sort of move. This is essentially just taking advantage of the bearish move. This isn't my strat. These are none of my trades. My trades are Asia liquidity. So I'm mainly looking for longs back up to the externals. Is sort of what I'm looking for now. But I am accepting that I want price that I can see price to really come down at least another leg. Really. What do you think about CRT strategy? I think CRT is fucking brilliant, man. CRT plays out so many times. Go through data. CRT is strong as fuck. CRT is good. Use the higher more than the lower though. I think CRT on the higher is so fantastic, bro. Is there anything I should majorly learn when trading myself? Bro, put all your time into your strategy, if I'm being honest. And what I mean by that is get some form of a structured strategy, right? Grab someone's. Don't know, because I can tell you for a fact there's so many ways you can be profitable in this market. There's not just one sole golden egg you're going to find out there that's going to make you profitable, right? There's loads of ways. So many traders trade different ways, man. There's not one sole way. If there was one sole way, then there'll be a trader that would then go ahead and manipulate those guys. There's no one strict way to trade the FX market, or any market for that matter. So get a strategy, grab one that has somewhat good data that you can rely on, or even if you can't, even if you just get that strategy, start forward testing it, back testing it, get the data from it, see if it's profitable or not, see how many max losses it has before it has a win again, right? And then you can actually understand how it does. If it's shit, understand why it's shit. Is it the time of day? Is it the maybe the change of character? You'd rather have a fair value gap trade through instead of a change of character, whatever it may be. But I'd say put so much time into getting data for your strategy, because there's nothing better to your psychology than knowing that your strategy is profitable. If you've seen years of backed up data and you forward test for at least a year with a strategy and found out just from statistics, not off your feelings or anyone else's feelings, that it's profitable, anyone who says your shit, I mean, any little thought in your mind that makes you think that it's not profitable and it could be shit is blatantly just fucking the psychological fault. So realistically, man, you should fucking get over that and just get brave with your strategy, because you understand that it's profitable. Put all your time in your fucking back testing and forward testing and getting data. Don't uselessly do it where you just sort of get times in. Actually back test, actually get data, and actually understand what the fuck works and what the fuck don't. And keep on doing it as well, lads. Like, fuck me, don't ever think you've got your strategy is always going to be profitable for the rest of your trading career. Like, you've got it now, like you ain't got to do nothing again, you just follow strategy. More time, you will have to tweak and change. And there's many different scenarios in the market that plays out. One of them that recently, Trump, he got inaugurated. Very different markets to what we had when we had fucking Biden as president. Very different. You can see that off the chart. Very different economic views, very different change of policies, completely different budgets. So you can understand where, like, the complete and utter difference, and you've got to understand these differences. And then the second thing I'd say is fundamentals, bro. Don't be that guy who misses fundamentals because they're a lazy fucker. Fundamentals is one of the best things. And again, another thing to make you understand an actual real fact. If the market is, if we're weak dollar for X reasons and strong euro for X reasons, we know we're going to be bullish from a fundamental standpoint. The market is going to be bullish, so we're going to favour buys. Understanding that will make you feel so much braver. Following the market is key, man. Mehmet, what's fucking good, bro? How you doing, man? EU is so chop. EU's been moving horribly, man. It's been moving dreadful. Are you in EU, Lewis, at all? Sorry, this is gold. This is gold. I'm actually freezing. Why is it sunny but fucking freezing, bro? Why? Tommy, what's happening, bro? Only longs. Exactly that, man. Exactly that. Last couple of weeks, been trading gold, silver, and ES and 10k demo. Up about 10 hours so far. Going really good. Nice, Jess. Nice, man. What strategy you been trading on it? All of them on one account. Do we have access to signals with the mentorship? No, you don't, bro. They're separate, man. They're separate. Yeah, that's why I feel like we could start seeing EU come up. But again, we still got them on at this 15. We haven't actually moved out of it. Time for my revenge. Where's revenge, brother? What are you going in for, man? HBK, who the fuck, bro? I'm not seeing that name in time, bro. You sent me a fucking voice now on WhatsApp. What the fuck? Understandable. I'm definitely gonna learn more. I'm gonna definitely learn more into it. Yeah, 100%, bro. But honestly, bro, I promise you, the biggest thing that's wasted so many traders' times, and I know this from first-hand experience, and I know it because I've spoke to so many fucking traders over the years, and everyone's had the exact same start. We just, for some reason, try and find the strategy the winning strategy, and then when we come across a new one, we use that one instead because we've, for whatever fucking reason, maybe your favourite trader's now trading it or some bullshit. And I think that is the biggest, like, fucking chasing your tail thing in trading. It's the biggest waste of time. So, yeah, I'd say the biggest tip, bro, just get a strategy, fucking stick to it. Honestly, just stick to it. But make sure it's somewhat alright, do you know what I mean? Make sure it's not an utter joke, do you know what I mean? But make sure it's something that already, like, you can grab it from someone that has data of it, and then you can go ahead and try and replicate in your own trading, and then take your variables and switch it around from there. Yeah, one account just being traded liquidity during New York session, similar to ALG to be fair, liquidity point, fair value, no FEG. Love that, man. Love that. Yeah, we're bullish on EU in terms of like the higher time frame. But right now, boys, we are still weak. We are still much weaker on the lower time frame. And yeah, we can't start looking at buys if we haven't started to look for the move into this discount, really. I mean, that's sort of why price is still favouring the shorts. Mate, you should build your 18 game CO Aki yet. I haven't, bro. I actually need to do that. When did the game start? What app do you do it on? Because I don't really gamble like that, man. I don't think I've got a gambling app or nothing like that. I download it and, mate, I go down the worst hole. I'm like instantly problem gambling. Is it problem gambling if you actually make money though? You don't really see, it's not really much of a problem there. GU sells back at entry, don't know whether to sell again. Don't be that aggressive, bro. Don't be, like what I said, man. Don't. If you're in the cells, stay in the cell. Are you? Wait, sorry, Jenny. What's your trade? Sorry, bro. What's your trade? Where did you enter? Where you in at? Mates, my trading chart check. Could you give your opinion, please, brother? For sure, man. Chart check. Again, goes for anyone else, boys. If anyone wants me to look at their trades, their charts, anything, send it into the Discord. We've got a section in there called Chart Check. You can send your trades in there at me, and we can go through them. I can give my opinion, and also the chat can give an opinion as well. What is this? Long and silver. Is yours the same level? Is it a bit higher? 113. Yeah, yours is a little bit higher. Oh, it was that 15-minute we was looking at, wasn't it? We'll have the closure this 15 and then we'll long up from here. That's not, is that where yours? Oh, okay, so yours is that. Is this the same as yours? We'll have a look at this one as well, Josh. No, it's got to be a lower entry than that, isn't it? Yeah, it's that thing. Again, I love the look of it. Again, we should just be long in these commodities. I can't wait for that geezer to come in again. There was someone in the YouTube live yesterday that like really trying to boast about selling gold. Actually, I thought, bruv, are you taking the like? How can you boast about selling gold at all-time highs? That has got to be single-handedly probably the most stupidest thing to do in trading. I think selling something at all-time highs. To be brutally honest. Afternoon, mates. What's your opinion on the EU coming down? I got cooked this morning. Defo should have waited for the Friday 50. That honestly, bro, Defo should have 100% should have waited for the Friday 50. The exact reason why I only got in on a challenge account, bro. The thing is with that's why I kind of like having fundeds and having other accounts. Like I think, boys, if you are funded and for some odd reason you haven't bought another account, fucking do it. There is so many trades out there that honestly, like, I've like Lou and I have passed accounts just for going off trades that we think's gonna play out. That's not even our strategy. But it's even worth doing because there's some trades that are against your strategy that you just don't want to place. You're not going to place, but could still play out and you could just get a bit of experience in the markets. Fucking do it, man. I'll be real. That's what I fucking do at this point, man. I think it's to bring a bit more fun back to trading because I find trading boring as shit. I think it's fun grabbing a challenge and just placing trades that you're not going to place in your actual live accounts. But you can do it to increase your funded. But I would say if you're not at the stage where you don't have a strategy that's profitable and you can't actually trade the live account with a, and then I'll say it's pretty pointless. Do you know what I mean? But if you've got a funded account and you've maybe got a few, I'd say have a few payouts at least, so you know you can hold it, or just allow your account to be in profit. And grab a new one, man. Grab a little challenge and then start placing some trades you think's gonna play out. Might as well short Bitcoin from all-time high too, innit? You might as well fucking short Bitcoin high. You might as well just short it. If price is ever going to get up there, which I fucking probably doubt it. What was this all-time high? Was it like 150? No, it weren't. What's all? 126. What's the best funders to use for good spreads, bro? I'll be honest, man. I've not used all prop firms, so I'll be lying to you if I said I had the best one. I'll be lying to you. But I'd say one of the worst firms I've used for spreads. Nah, I'm not even gonna say that. I don't know, bro. I'll be honest. Most liquidity providers are quite similar. It just depends on the broker that actually what they add on, because you're always gonna have spreads, right? But there's some prop firms that do give raw spread accounts, so you only get the liquidity provider spreads. Those accounts are the best. So any prop firm that has raw spreads. That's why ACG are good, because again you can choose no commission or no spreads. Yo, mates, what was the turning point for you with trading? When did you start to serious changes and success? You know what it was, boys? Honestly, sticking to the same thing, bruv. I'll be honest, it was actually just genuinely sticking to the same thing, doing the same thing over and over again, and actually understanding if it's profitable. Because I think the thing in trading is a lot of you don't and I as well at some point I didn't know if my shit was profitable, man. I didn't really I couldn't tell you for certain at all. That was like one of the. I mean, I feel like there's a few turning points. There's not always one. I feel like there is like a good handful of turning points. You have pivots, man. I feel like that, and then introducing fundamentals into it was second to none. I think, mate, my psychology's never been so good. I'll be honest. But yeah, mate, honestly, just fucking understanding if your shit's actually profitable. And the only way you're getting that is through data. Get data. It's fucking boring, lads, but it's got to be done. I'll be honest, it has to be done. I think BTTS is safe, bro, to be honest. What's that? Always fear the hidden rules of the prop firms. Yeah, man, they have bastards when it comes to some of them. But that's why just go with a firm that's got credibility. Again, ACG, fucking the funded next 1%. Is it 1%ers or whatever they're called? Is it not 1%? Or the fivers. That's it. Sorry, fivers. They're good. They're good. Fivers are very good. Apparently, I mean, I've never used them, but apparently they are very good. The scaling accounts, what is the best percentage to risk? Fundeds, bro. I'll be honest, risk the same. I'll be honest, bro. Just take your time with it, man. Take your time with it. Because at the end of the day, if you're trying to make the most, because you can. I mean, there's two ways to scale an account, right? You either get another funded account, or you just make money in your account where they give you more. So honestly, bro, I'd say risk the same. I mean, if you've already got like a challenge passed, risk 2%. Definitely, you can risk 2%. It's just gonna get shit passed quicker. I'll be honest. Because you've got a bit more to fall back on as long as you've got a funded account. That's why having a funded account, you have so much leverage and so much power, because bro, you can just fucking trade funded. You can just trade challenges like they're well, I'd say you need a few funded accounts, because you can't be one funded account away to not being funded. Like, fuck that. There's no point in risking. But if you've got 2 funded accounts, you can buy a few more challenges. As long as you still got the income coming from those funded challenges, you can just keep fucking trying to pass challenges with higher percent risk. You can trade the exact same way, just fucking trade at 2% risk. I wouldn't say do any more, because a lot of prop firms would put you on like a higher risk account where you're just gonna have lower leverage and make less money. So it's not as good. Not as good at all. They took 0.5% off my profit. Wait, who? Who did? Who did? The FTMOs are the GOAT. I've got. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, their spreads are. FTMO spreads are fucking shit. It's actually a bit fucking sickening. Low key. Friend in there. Friend, is there a trade you're waiting for? Or just enjoying that EU short? This EU short was lose. I'm essentially what I'm waiting for now is, because I still want to see EU come down. I am long EU, but I still want to see EU come down further. A couple reasons. One, we still haven't seen the 50% of this 4 hour get traded through. DXY still hasn't come to our Friday 50 of our, obviously, Friday range. So I can still definitely see some upside potential for the dollar. And that would obviously mean EU to continue to the downside. Are you scared it might rat off H4 fair value? Bro, don't be scared. Trade without fear, boys. Scared money don't make money, man. Don't fear whatever. Don't fear whatever. I'm going to full sync gold again, but going to wait till 2 PM. It's a good idea. 2 PM does move. Gold does move a lot better around 2 PM. You ever had to do an interview for a payout? Yes, bro. Yes. Everyone does. Everyone has to. Everyone has to. The thing is, it's mainly to verify like that you're actually a real person and that it's fucking you. Really. Because what a lot of people do is they just fucking will buy a prop firm account and be like fucking 16 years of age. It's managed to verify you are a real fucking person. Just jumped in full port EU shorts. Fucking hell. Did you not want to get in up here? Why did you get in down? Why did you just get in now? 50 lots, let's go. What account size is that? $10K. You ever use funding pips? Yeah, I used to be funded with funding pips, bro. We used to pass them with our HFT. Me and Lou was like fucking 400k funded with them. We ended up losing them because they were HFT accounts, so you did have like a few rules which were just fucking AIDS. We had like we got a few payouts from them, but then like the consistency rule in their account was shit. It was like, I can't remember what it was. I think it was like 10%, like for your trades, and I can't remember the other rules, but it just had rules so you couldn't get paid out. But like we managed to get a payout, but it was like very small. It was like, bruv, what is even the point? Because they just ended up slapping so many rules in the account, which did make it kind of shit. But again, we took our money, made our little bit of dough on there, and then we ran off, motherfuckers. Bro, on my days, HFT bots were a piss take. I had one and it stopped working. Yeah, what do you mean stopped working? Why did it stop working? This EU's about to TP as well. This is fucking beautiful. Lou's had a lovely day today. Fucking beautiful, man. They discarded my two 100k accounts for bullshit. Wait, what was the actual reason? Was it actually bullshit, or was it bullshit, or did you do something silly? Did you full port news? I trade the age liquidity strap, bro. Broski. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for him to tell me. Own up now, son. I have funded. I am now trying to scale. My full advice to you, bro, is honestly, whatever you've been doing, keep going. Don't, like what I've just said there. Don't do what I've said. Honestly, get a few funded accounts, man. Get a few funded accounts under your belt, and then start double risking and just start trying to get those challenges passed quicker. The ultimate way to really make money in trading is have a lot of money. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you have. The more money you have, the more money you make. Simple. I mean, we all know that, right? But for some reason, we all don't try and increase capital. We try and make more percent a month. But it's harder to make more percent a month than what it is to increase your capital, right? Remember that. Forgot you're live from 12:30, bro. We're live from 6:30 to like 3:30, bro. Our active days. Who else is actually doing that? Bro, find us another trader that's doing that. If you find me another trader that is currently doing that, those exact timings or longer, I'll give you £50. I'll patiently wait. Sus. W trades. This was a beautiful trade from Lou. Why shorts? Because we need to see a retracement back down on EU. We've seen price at too high of a level right now. We are still mainly bullish EU. This is mainly just the retracement trades, but we're looking for price to come lower to actually accompany this imbalance to the left, so we can actually go ahead and start looking for those longs. But price is not bullish yet. We have not seen price wanting to start move up. We've only seen price for the whole day. We've seen price react off bearish areas the whole day. Stu Dog, you profitable yet? Fucking hell. Stu's been profitable for fucking ages. Stu last year, I think, had more payouts than me, bro. Done for the day, 2.6% up, lovely stuff, bro. Stu had more, I think Stu had more payouts than me last year, I'm pretty sure. In terms of how many payouts. But again, why? Because Stu has fucking many accounts. Stu has bare accounts. He's passed many accounts. And now he's got a fucking handful of funded. He's now got an actual portfolio he can now manage, bruv. This is why it's all about how much funding you can get. It goes the same in like any other game as well, boys. It's all about how much money you have. Same if you're using properties. The more money you have to put in, the more money you're going to get out. Any other game. Maybe not as much business, but... Where can I learn the strat? We've got a course over on our website, bro, but I would advise just looking at... We've got a free course as well, so it's a little bit of a taster, so if you actually like it. Because one thing I say to everyone, man, is if you've got a strategy, stick to it. If you don't know that it's profitable, find one that's profitable. If you want to use ours, use ours. But honestly, find the strategy and stick to it, bro. So, yeah, have a look on our website. I tell you what, go... If you type in, boys, Richesse... Sorry, let me show the TikTok. You type up on the internet, Richesse FX. Here's our website, and one of the top tabs will say free taster. Go do that. It's like a short course of our main one, so you can actually understand sort of what you're gonna get. It's called free content, just right at the top. It's right there, boys. And again, what we do in there is we're live every single day. How is my Discord in the corner there, bro? Where is that? We do the pre-London stream, which is every single day from 6:30 to 8:30, covering exactly what we're looking for the day's price action. Havoc, what we saying, broski? What's good, man? I've been GU shorts. What should I target? Good question. Friday 50. Oh no, we've already come to it. Ooh. We've come to it. Maybe 50% of Friday of the... Well, not Friday. I think it's a bit longer than Friday. It must be. So I'd say sort of this level here. This OT level, this full range we're in on GU. It's the exact same area for DXY. I'm pretty sure it is like... Yeah, it pretty much is the Friday 50 for the dollar. Which is kind of where I can see price coming to. So I still like the shorts. I think the shorts could definitely still carry on a little bit further. Why don't you trade gold? Because I've got PTSD from trading gold, bro. I don't. I've made most of my money in Forex, and I'm not gonna change. If it's not broken, don't fix it, man. Again, I'd rather keep just trading my GUEU and get more capital than trade more pairs and earn more percent. That's the exact way I look at this market, and I always will. You've got to be very cautious in these markets, boys. I feel like you can't be too aggressive when it comes to trading at our level. I feel like when you're in the market, when you've been in the markets for at least like a good 15 years, I feel like then you can actually be a bit more aggressive. You've seen enough of the market. You understand the market enough. Especially most people these days, they probably need 30 years of fucking experience because their brain's so washed of technicals. Makes you think we can reach the New York low from yesterday on EU. Oh, it's a big fucking move you're asking for. It's a big move. We can. We definitely can. Do I think we will? Maybe not, bro. Aki, what we saying, bro? Sell Nasdaq. Why are you always trying to sell the Nasdaq against the trend? I know you was buying Nasdaq. Wasn't you buying Nasdaq yesterday? Honestly, bro, I'll say this again, I'll say this all the time. When the currency's weak, buy the stock market. Euro's strong, look at the stock market. Dollar's weak, look at the stock market. This is like a main tool. Great way to tell whether you should really short or long. And if the bias for the dollar's weak, I'd say you kind of want to long. As well as we're looking at continuous cuts. And what does the cut? Who does the cut benefit the most? Well, not the most, but well, yeah. What does the cut benefit the most? Businesses, lower interest. Exactly what businesses want. Especially for the big, massive companies that borrow. and they are the biggest companies in the US. Are you in any trades right now? No, this one's just hit TP, so not right now, brother. Not right now. But again, we still want to see, are we going to still trade up, or are we going to continue down? We can use this 15-minute. Like I said, we're probably going to see another leg down. Now we've seen the leg down. So let's see if we're going to start having that leg up, or if we're going to have still another leg down. If we do, I think we have to step away and assume that price might start pulling up tomorrow, and that might be the most optimal time to get in. Really. But we'll see. FOMC pricing in. I think we've priced in FOMC like at the start of the year, to be fair, bro. We've been the Fed I think we've known that we're holding rates since like the back end of last year, like the last week of last year when we started getting good, because we've got really good data in it. The US has had good data. It's not had bad data, really. It's had a few bad labour points at the start of the year, but it's not changed what we're looking for in terms of a pause. Powell won't cut interest rates, so we know he's holding. We've always known he's holding. When it comes to the next meeting in March, I think it's March, we might see a different approach. That's why I think it's going to be bearish dollar, because I think we're going to have a bit more of a dovish approach after what we've had. But again, we'll see. We'll see what he says at 7, and we'll trade the news tomorrow. Trade the news, sell the rumour, boys. What's the best for ACG? 2-step or 3-step? Ah, fuck a 3-step, bro. Fuck that. Fuck that, mate. 2-step all the way, man. 3-step. No, yeah, 2-step always. 3-step, bro. What even is a 3-step? 10%, 8%, 5%? That's a piss take, bro. If I'll be real, that's so long. I'm earning 22%. I already think earning fucking 13% is annoying. To not get paid out that 30. I find it annoying, especially... That's the only thing about trading on challenge accounts, man. It's annoying, especially when you've got funded. Bro, 2-step, definitely, 100%, man. Mates, I like it when you look at me like that. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what? We're at the Friday 50. This is where we could see some form of lovely movement here, man. Let's move you back a bit, bro. My EG trade's painfully slow. This is what we had on EG for pre-London, and it TP'd pretty quick, which I wasn't expecting, considering fucking hell what happened yesterday. But this is a horrible market here. This is a joke, isn't it? You've got to be taking the piss at this point. Bro, honestly, I feel bad for you, Sam, bro. Step 3 is 800. Is it just the price? Bro, honestly, if it's the price, don't go for it. If it's the price, just get a smaller account. Because you're good. Wait, what is the actual challenge? What do you have to do? Well, what's the profit target for the different phases? EU longs. We're looking for potential EU longs. They haven't really come to us yet. We've just had the short. We've come below the Friday 50. We've actually now come to the 50% of the 4-hour range. So again, we'll see what price wants to do here. We've actually only wicked below this low, which is a bit of a pain in the arse. But this quick little short here was nabbed, lovely. Entry was insane. TP was insane. This was fucking lovely. You have to get 8%, 5% and give it handy shandy. Fuck. Alright, do 3%, bro. 3%. I just actually found out what 3%, what step 3s. Do the 3-step challenge, bro. They seem pretty, well, pretty fun as it goes. The silver come back down yet? Of course you ain't, you fuck. All that DTO level looks tasty, actually, 24. Again, very slow movement. This week has been very, very subtle, isn't it? It says profit target 800. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. Oh, so you gotta get 800, then you gotta get 400. I'm assuming you're trading a 10k, 100k account, right? No, 10k account. 10k. Bro, fuck that, mate. Wait, what is the actual reason you do it? So you've got to earn 16%. So 4% more. So if you do pass the free step, bearing in mind that other 4% could have been on your live account. Very hindsight, very hypothetical, but let's just say it is, for the sake of the argument. How's my phone not charging, bruv? Yeah, that's so long, bro. Free step is bare long. Cha-ching, my caffee's Ramo. Let's go, bro. What, is Ramo now at 1:30? That's mad. Alright, boys, I think we hit the highest views we have for New York Session so far. Boys, New York Session is growing again. Wow, we was hitting like 20 viewers a day for New York Session. I think it definitely is the meta to come a bit earlier. Ooh. Who's Margie invites you to co-host? Let's have a look at this. You know what? Let's actually join one of them. Fucking hell. It's the exact reason why I don't join them. That actually bare looks like my garage. Don't wave for me. No. How do I leave? It's the exact reason why I don't join. Bro, I swear to God, bro, that bare looks like my garage. That looked exactly like my garage. Oi, 75, boys. Boys, let's get 100 for the New York stream. If you leave, you're a bitch. No, you're actually just against us. Like, you actually don't care about the Richesse calls. And the Richesse calls is way bigger than you man may think. It goes a little bit further than just trading and making everyone fucking money. It goes a little bit further than that. The price comes down a bit more. What are we talking about, Sam? I think I might have a gold entry. I think DTO for gold might have been the nicest entry here. Again, price action pulling off of it was fucking awful. But again, you're buying all-time highs. I think everything's risky around here. I think you would really prefer to allow price to come down. I mean, you're genuinely buying at the tippy top, which is scary. Which is a bookie one. I'm waiting to buy your USD. Exactly what I'm waiting for, brother. Or sell again. I'll be honest. If it continues to sell off, then we look to continuously sell. If we actually do have a reversal, then we look to long. Simple as. Simple as. Kells, how are we doing? We good? Well, it's fucking good. Why can't I see how many people are in it? What's your thoughts on Trump's statement last night? What was the statement he said last night? Was it about the currency? Exactly what we're waiting for, bro. You're going to drop Siggy's in here. If we get a trade, brother, I absolutely will. Don't tell anyone, though. Don't tell the FA. Holy fuck. If catch EG, I'm throwing hands. I'm going to get you 10k likes this stream. Just charged up my finger. What would that even consist of? Charging up your finger. What would that consist of? My fucking bro, though. Yeah, bro. Prop trading always, man. Well, for the time being, man. Prop firms are the way to go. I'll be honest, if you're not funded like fucking 2 mil, keep trading prop firms, bro. Stop trying to trade personal. Just trade. I mean, personal's alright. I think when you trade personal, I think it's alright to trade commodities and stuff like that. Have a bit of fun with that stuff, but when it comes to FX, just stick to fucking prop firms. Just stick to it. It's just such lower risk, man. It's just low risk. That's all it is. It's always lower risk. Always. I don't really mind losing a grand from a 200k account if I've got the potential ability to somewhat make anything over 10, which is relatively easy in a 200k account, which is literally 5% worth of payouts, which is not a great amount at all, really, in the grand scheme. Even if I lose 3, bro, even if I lose, I mean, how much even are 200Ks? I mean, I know them to be a grand. Last time I bought one, it was 1.5 It was like 1.1 or something like that. I think it's 1.1. But I would not be pissed if I lost 3 accounts to then go ahead and then make 5%. And I've seen myself do it. Like, I've seen myself pass challenges, fail challenges, get like loser funded, but in the grand scheme still make money. So that's why I'd continuously keep buying 200s. I don't even buy any smaller accounts. Just keep on buying more. Oh, no way it ain't. Oh, fucking hell, gold. Oh, at least have something today, man. You have swing or normal? Normal, bro. A normal account. What do you think of GJ? Shit, bro. I'm not joking. Honestly, like I said, boys, I'm only really looking to long the yen. I wouldn't short it. I wouldn't. If I was you, I wouldn't be in it really, because it's again going through the intervention, so I wouldn't trust it. But at the same time, if you're getting in a position, you got to understand they are going through an intervention, so there's going to be mass buying of the yen, right? Right now, the US are going through. They're buying up bonds, right? And we know the yen right now are buying up yen because they fucking have to. They have to sell dollar to buy yen. They just have to. Or they're selling US bonds to buy yen. They fucking have to. We've seen the Japanese yen drop quite heavily, which is quite fucking good. But yeah, we should continuously see this. And again, the reasons why we had random pumps like yesterday at 10 AM was because of it. Mace, you look at yields. I look at yields all the time, man. I look at the German bonds, all the European ones actually. They're always on the side of my screen, isn't it? I've got the US 10-year, US 2-year, GB 10-year, German 10-year, French 10-year, Italian 10-year. 10 years the best for like higher time frame perspective. 2 years really good for like sort of headline perspective. And normally, yeah, I'll be honest, man. I look at yields all the time, bro. I think yields are they're a have to, man. They're an absolute have to. If you're fucking serious about trading, bro, you look at yields. Nothing right now. I'm going to see if we're going to be able to actually pump back up on EU or fuck off back down. We'll see what plays out. But right now, we are still continuously selling off. In order for me to start seeing price to trade back through, we didn't actually break this low, so I'm more than happy for price to come and trade back through this 15-minute. Which I'm actually just going to get rid of this off my chart for a second, bang this fair value on. So if we now come back up and trade through this fair value, then I'm more than happy to start longing. But we got to obviously identify if we're going to continue down or have that move back up, man. That is crucial. And if we do end up breaking this low, then we look to continue the shorts down. Not too sure to what level. Dollar still really would favourably get to the Friday 50. So I can see the EU continuing down for a little bit. But that's what we're looking at right now. Let me play the music from my PC actually. Let's get Bloomberg off. We don't want to listen to that fucking shit right now. Again, this is actually, oh mate, this is actually, I can't stop listening. Mate, I keep seeing this on the YouTube and I can't stop listening to it, innit? Whenever I see it, I have to listen to it, bro. Absolute banger. Absolute banger. This bear makes me just want to go America and just party over there, man. I was thinking about this. I don't know if Lou's in here, but I actually low-key would fucking love to go to Miami or some shit. I was looking at some of the gas there, they're fucking unreal. And some of them are like $5K a month, which is not even bad. Project X, bro. Yeah. But it's bare makes you want to fucking just go. Literally a Project X thing, innit? Like, bro, house motive over in America, man. I want that gnome, bro. Absolute clutch up if you find that gnome, bro. Oh, mate, bro. Imagine if that was in real life, innit? How fucking sick would that be, bro? How certy would that be? I'm pretty sure it's based on a real story, isn't it? I'm like 50% sure. World Cup this year. Bro. That would be so sick, innit? I'll be real, that would probably be the best. I reckon that would be the most fun I've had in my life, innit, if we did go to Miami. I've actually, only time I went to America was to New York. That was pretty cool, but I was doing sports out there the whole time. If I could actually, bro, I'd fucking love it, man. Has anyone been Miami or anywhere like that? I know a few of the boys in the group have. Some had gone LA and that. But I haven't been them neck of the woods in a fucking long time. And I would like it. I'm still waiting for the inverse shit. And the good thing is about America, they speak fucking English, bro. It's actually fucking sick. You actually don't have to sort of learn words. Even though it's quite cool learning words. New York's buried in snow at the moment. No, I think yeah, it is. Yeah, I saw a video on TikTok actually earlier. If we win the Prem or Champions League, I'd back it. Have to keep the lucky streak going. Yeah, trust, bro. Trust me. Mate, I just cannot have West Ham get relegated, bro. It's been like, how many years we've been in the Prem? Fuck knows, 17 years maybe? Kept our head above water. Probably had like fucking 10 relegation battles. Probably more than that, bro. Probably more than that. When was the last time we was in the... Wait, I've just typed something up on the internet that is so false. Listen to this. This is the last time West Ham United was in the Champions League was during 2022-2023 season when they won the Europa Conference League. Bro, according to Microsoft Bing, West Ham have actually been in the Champions League. That is insane. Bro, what the fuck is that about? Wait, that's fucking golden, bruv. Who paid for that to be there like that? Oh no, I reset it. Fuck, wait. There we go. Wait, why does that change it? It's not even what... But yeah, apparently we've been in the Champions League. That's crazy, right, bro? That's crazy. Banging. Kolo Muani and Papa Sarr had car crash and tried to get out of playing. Car crash. Mate, why is everyone doing a Jota, bro? Everybody needs to start chilling out. Why is everyone getting these car crashes, bro? What, like a Pete car crash or what? That's like a really good resemblance of the season you guys had. Considering the start. Real, my fucking head's over. Do a recap on that trade, you two there kindly. Do a recap on that trade, you two there kindly. Okay. Your English needs a little bit of work, but appreciate the question. Let me turn it down a little bit. But it said this is just a continuation of the bearish move, bro. Literally just a continuation of it. Was of the 5-minute fair value, 50% of it. And again, today all we've been doing is literally been coming off areas to the left. Obviously TikTok, I know TikTok you can see this, but we've been reacting off areas to the left. Doing this all day long. And we've just been continuing the move to the downside. So it's just a continuation of the move already had. Nothing complex, very simple. 5-minute entry, continue price down. And we are still looking for it to continue down. We still want to see dollar to the Friday 50 and start to see price reversing. I hate this song. Oh no, it's this one. Such a curveball, man. This is actually a very good song, but why do they start it off with this shit? That like other song. Is GU Long valid? No, I'd wait, bro. I'd still wait. We've not. I'd actually like it to come below Pride 50. I'd actually like for you to do that. No, I do want to see it come above, below the Pride 50. How many pips is this? How many pips is what? Oh, sorry, EU. 25. Bang on. That's actually relatively horny as far as it goes. What's your indicator used for trading view? This one, brother, the Richesse 2.0. If you don't have Richesse 2.0, you're missing out. If you don't have it, boys, just drop a message in the it's actually in the Discord. It's over in the Discord, but you just drop a message in the free chat indicator, and someone will send it to you. I'm sure. There's enough people in there that use it to just send it over to you, brother. But this is what I use for my ranges, for my Pride high, Pride low, Pride 50, all that shit. And I've got all these tags at the top. If you want these tags at the top, and you can see the tags in the bottom right, you can see what chart I'm on. Actually, might make that bigger, actually. Visibility, make it a little bit larger. Get a bit more size on ya. Where'd you change it? Where'd you change it? Can I make it bigger, bro? Like that in the middle there, you see that? You see my pair, date, time frame. If you want all that shit on your chart, boys, get in the Discord, man. Get over to you, man. Morning, bro. Where are you from, bro? Are you New York, man? Come on, broski. We actually do have a lot of American dudes in here as well, man. Respect it. Good morning to you, my boy. Good morning to you, man. Unless you just fucking woke up like bare late. Oh, that last bit of coffee was not great. Oh, fucking hell. That was not mixed properly. Holy shit. Because I'm a big fucking slut. The only thing that annoys me about TradingView, you have to now pay just to use the replay button. It used to be free. Really? You have to pay for it now? What? That's insane, bro. That's fucking insane, mate. Mate, how many people do you reckon use TradingView? Mate, how many users it got? Let's have a look. How many bro, alright, I'm not using Microsoft Bing considering they think West Ham was once in the Champions League. So let's go on Google, a bit more credible. Incredible. How many members on TradingView have on membership? TradingView has 100 million. Wow. Fucking hell. TradingView has a user base over 100 million traders globally with 50 million active users. Well, how many people are actually paying for their shit? Yeah, but today's a big reversal day, Ibby. It's a massive reversal day, and that's sort of what we've been pricing in today. So that's why we've been looking at the EU to trade lower until we sort of have a reversal, the move to actually continue the higher time frame bullish EU. But for right now, we're just assuming price is going to continue down for a little bit, bro. What are you looking at, Ibs? Plus, they change companies for using their API charts. I used to pay. Plus, they charge companies for using their API charts. API charts? What's that? Oh, what, on their websites? Wait, boys, can you man help me, yeah? Bro, How do I get it? So like when I go on the internet on my PC, that is just Google, not fucking Microsoft Bing, because I'm fucking sick of it, bruv. These men are shit. Like the shittest thing. Like all jokes aside, I genuinely got told that West Ham 2 seasons ago were in the Champions League, which is fucking. It's a great example. How did you actually do it though? Yeah, okay, I know what you mean. Yeah, the websites as well. Mate, can you look at GC? Of course I can. We've actually got the interest rates coming out from the Canadian dollar in about half an hour. Well, a bit longer. Open up your eyes, there's what you see. Well, hold on. I would wait for GC. What it's selling hard. Yeah. It kind of would do. They're holding interest rates, so you would sort of favour a bit of a more bullish card, really. Change default browser in settings. Bro, there's no way a 45-year-old man is telling me how to put Google instead of Microsoft on my team. I'm 23 years of age. I should really know this. Or I should know it better than you. How the fuck do I do that, though? Change default browser in settings. Settings. Oh, what? In settings of this. Alright, settings. How do I don't know how to do that, bro. Alright. Settings. Default browser, here we go. Microsoft Edge, yeah, I don't want that. $55. Oh, he's 55. Fucking hell, it's way older. Old as gold, G. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I would wait for GC just because we. Yeah, I think we are just going to continue down. But I wouldn't say it's really bearish, the market. CAD's a very weak currency. I've only got the edge. Wait, Aki, message me on Discord, bro. Message me on Discord. I'm gonna send you this. I can't actually tell where the fuck I do it from. I'm actually sick to death of using Bing. There you go. Where are you? Oh no. You drop me a message, Aki. Hope you take sick trades, bro. Ibby, appreciate it, my boy. You take care of yourself. I hope you do too, man. Hope you do too. Go G. It's following GU. Yeah, it is following GU. Again, strong. We've had like a stronger dollar today, stronger CAD. Weaker pound, weaker euro, weaker. Oh yeah. A little bit more risk off. Really. I don't know where to put my TP on EU, having it on the New York low from yesterday for now. It's a difficult area. I would say, I don't know, man. I think it is difficult. Where was your TP anyway? Did you not have a set TP beforehand, anyways? Yeah, Aki, this is what it said. This is what it says. It comes up with this in my settings. So I just put it in the Explorer mode pages. That thing. Or do you reckon gold is just forever going to buy? Not forever. The reason why it is because again, just massively uncertainty around every market here, and economies. There's a lot of wars going on right now, Kels. That's like one of the big reasons as well. Gold normally thrives, especially like an economy like Ukraine would put so much money into gold right now. And everyone who had money in Ukraine would put their money back into gold, for example. And then you obviously got all the other countries as well that are currently fighting. So, from that perspective, gold's going to boom. Gold's going to boom. Precious metals, the whole market, everything. The reason why people buy gold, right, is because, again, the world reserve currency is pretty much the dollar, right? Everything's priced in dollar, everything. Oil, gold, fucking most commodities, most metals, everything. Fucking everything's priced in dollars, pretty much. Even fucking crypto, right? It's all in dollars, right? Everything. Like, everything is the world reserve currency, whether you like it or not. And a lot of countries are trying to de-dollarize the system and sort of get the dollar off. Mainly the BRICS countries like India, China, and Russia and these type of countries. They are the people who was buying up gold quite heavily like a good few years ago to try and essentially just get rid of the dollar, buy gold. That's been a consensus for a good few number of years now. But gold is an appreciating asset that will always really go up. But I'm not saying it's not going to have a big dump at some point, because I feel like it definitely will. There's times where price will thrive, times where price won't. I'm still bearish on the EU lower time frame, yeah, bro. We've not actually pushed back up at all yet. DXY still not come to Friday 50, which is actually, this is getting painful. This has definitely been one of the worst weeks, bro. Wow. See the remedies. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, brother. Open Chrome browser. I don't think I've got Chrome browser. I've only got Microsoft Explorer, I think it is. When war in Ukraine stops, what will benefit the most? I mean, it's not... The thing is with wars, it's like, at the end of it, nothing really ultimately benefits. It's normally during the war. You gotta think, normally, like a war is like a massive money thing, as well as fighting a country and taking over. There's one side, and then there's the money side, is what booms. And I think understanding in war, I think it's quite obvious what booms. Especially when a country like Russia goes for a country that is in Europe, I think that is massively threatening to the whole of Europe. Hence why everyone's been buying gold. Everyone. But gold went up. Stocks like Rheinmetall went up because obviously it's a fucking defense company. And the thing is about war as well that I want everyone to understand is when there is a war going on, a big war that threatens countries, everyone, I mean everyone, buys into their militaries. They put tens of millions into their militaries. We saw Italy probably put about 50 mil into their military. Same with France, same with Germany. US put probably more than 100 million into their military last year. We put money into our military. So it puts massive amount of money into defence. And that's why you start seeing defence boom. Defence stocks. Rheinmetall, other one, mainly Rheinmetall. And that's why we saw stocks in Europe do really well last year. The Core 6. Not the Core 6, but mainly defence. Core 6 is made up of a few companies that didn't do great last year. Nice one, bro. Just hit TP, lovely forearm pump. Come on, bro. Nothing better than a forearm pump, man. Shane, what's good, broski? How we doing, man? This is a banger as well. Let me have a little look, man. Glue, let me send you the indicator, broski. You don't fucking send indicator. There you go, buddy. Right, let's have a look at this then. I don't have Chrome browser. You know the love glue. Just back testing, mate. Nice. What are you back testing, bro? Appreciate you, my boy. But we are still coming down. This is painful. Come down a little bit more. No, I got you, brother. Chariot, I just sent it in the chat for you, bro. Tyson Fury fighting again. Full. Bro, what? Is he fighting again? Who's he fighting, bro? I didn't know he was fighting again. The fuck? Lights. Who's he fighting, bro? Where to short GU? I mean, it's not even really Friday 50. I would say it's hard to look for the shorts, but DXY, I want to see DXY hit the Friday 50, so whatever that is in GU, which is definitely so maybe to the 50% of the range, but then again, is there any point in scalping that? I don't really think there is. What pair kid? What? Arslan Beck, who the fuck is that, bro? Let's have a little look, man. Arslan Beck. Some Russian fella. Let's have a little look. Fucking hell, he's ugly as shit. Is it a Botox or something, bro? What the fuck is happening to this guy's face? Fucking hell, he's a weird looking geezer. Bro, it's like he's always asking a question, bro. Look at this guy, it's like he's always like questioning shit. He's like barely got eyes, he's just got eyebrows. Reminds me of the dad from Claudia Chance of Meatballs, bro. He like just has fucking eyebrows. Got $800 left to make of my 5k target to pass challenge. Lovely stuff, Eddie, bro. What is that, 50k? Or is that 100k phase 2? What kind is that, Eddie? Mate, what is your expectation of FMC movement? Good question. So right now we are holding interest rates at 3.75, whatever it is. We're holding interest rates at where it's at. But the question is where are we going for the next print? And I think we are going to the downside. So would make it a dovish hold, which means we are holding rates, but next meeting we are looking for a cut of interest. So, but again, we're honestly gonna have to see what Powell says. FOMC is one of those things right now you can't guess. I would put my favour in towards a dovish cut, a dovish hold is what we got. So is on print probably like decent for the dollar, so keep its weight, maybe push up a little bit, but ultimately will come down due to a dovish hold. 50k one step, find the next. Oh, nice, bro, nice. Right, testing gold, this liquidity supply and demand concept. Would love to show you it in Discord sometime. It's powerful as fuck. Yeah, let us know. Send us over, man. Rappers, dude. Come on, DXY, bro. Get up there. Oh. Been very difficult markets these last New Yorks. They've just not moved. There were some really good potential longs here on EU this afternoon, or GU. Mainly EU though, because they're a bit more dovish, I'll be honest. Right now, I'd honestly rather just start moving on. Do we have a 15-minute? Of course we don't. Do we have a 5-minute? Yeah. Back to the Friday 50 trade through. Mace, I understand you want to keep being as your default browser search. I've sent steps and DMs. I fucking really don't. But I've oh, here we go. Oh, right, nice. Oh, right, sorry, yeah. Change your default. Someone searching address bar using the search engine. You want to search your default. Searching. No. What do I do from here? So we'll see if EU's going to trade through this 5. If it don't, then we're going to continue down even further, which is kind of like foreseeable at this point. Did you catch anything today, mate? How's your week been? No trades this week, bro. It's been fucking boring. Been awful in markets this week. I've had limits, but only 2 cancels. I had an EU today on the challenge, which stop lost. But nothing on the fundeds, bro. Nothing on the live fundeds. It's been a really, really tight shit week, to be honest with you. Stick search and connected services. Stick search connected services. Stick search and connected services. Just bar and search. Choose your preferred search menu from the search engine used in the address bar menu. Search engines. Alright, cool. Add search engine. So just have Google though. What the fuck is that, bruv? Add search engine. URL with percents in place of query. Mate, I'm trying to change my search engine, man. I'll stop trying to make shit fucking confusing. For God's sake. Make default. Oh, here we go. Wait, have we done it? No, I didn't do it. Wait, how did I not do it, bruv? Wait, what the fuck? This is such a tune. Wait, why is this still not fucking working? Who do I punch? Right, let me show you this Aki. For some reason it's not. Every time I open a new tab it's still Microsoft. Still clean. But we definitely could get this push up here. is a banger in it. This could be the area, lads. This could be the area. All Silver's coming back, lovely stuff. Cheers, bro. I just can't get enough. Well, let's see if we can actually grab that. Wait, no. Gold pretty much came back to entry as well. What confirmations do you need to enter? So for my strategy, I need a few confirmations. I need, obviously, an ALG sweep, which is a sweep of Asian liquidity, either to the upside or sell side, depending on the bias. I need the bias. Wow, I did that all flare. I was looking at a completely wrong screen. I need bias of the higher. That's what I need. And I also need, essentially, the prior day range to dictate if I actually really want to be selling. And what I mean by that, if it's below the 50%, I want to be buying. If it's above, I want to be selling. I want to be selling in the premium, buying in the discount. And they're my main three confirmations, bro. That's literally mainly it. If those are lying, that's me getting the fucking market. Your Bing search or Chrome. Just Google. You know, like, say if I open up, like, my Microsoft Explorer, I want it to take me to Bing, innit? But you see this at the bottom of my screen? Oh wait, can you even see that? Oh no, I'm not actually figuring my screen. Shit. Never mind. Oh yeah, I'm not. I'll come back to entry, Silver. I'll just leave you, motherfucker. Wow, were you? Still continuing. Come on, Silver, come back in. Mate, what's your thoughts on EU if we come to the lower 4-hour fair value gap? Do you think this could happen? If so, what's your thoughts? Also, with the EU now, would you wait for the day to come to Friday 50 as well? Yeah, bare minimum. I mean, EU's come to the Friday 50. It's more DXY we're looking to come to the Friday 50 now. It doesn't really make sense if we're just looking... yeah, EU's already taken it, GU's taken it. We're just looking at DXY to now take it. Does gold look like it will be going down to a sell? I don't think so, bro. To be honest, we've had no major sell-off at where we are, so. Got my TP at 9476 for EU, nice. Let's have a little look. So 4. Yeah, nice. Just need one more leg down. One more leg down. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Oh, you meant DXY, yeah. That's what we want to see, bro. It's exactly what we want to see. Just in terms of this prior day range as well, that is the 50%. Because that is the prior day we're looking at. We're looking at the prior day range, which is this whole 4-hour. So 50% is fair value is where we want to see price come to. It's like the most acceptable, not 50, but just inside, which we've now come to. We just want to see the Friday 50 tap. That's what we want to see. That is optimal. Brokey, show the view out the window. The same guy comes in every live. All I'm saying is thank God I'm not you. I thank the living and non-living Lord. But I'm not you. You've been doing this for like 3 years as well. I pity you, bro. Let's see if you can do it, or if we're just going to continue to move down. Because we've actually come back into this 5 now. But yeah, pretty much, Aki. Aston, what are you looking at, bro? Running team invites you to co-host, please no. Bro frustrated about long in the EU without buying a 15. All journal though, exactly. That's what you need, bro. Make sure it is. West Ham signed a baby or guy, I know, bro. We were talking about it in the pre-London this morning. I saw it last night. Sums West Ham up though, doesn't it? Sums us up. Horrible signing. I was looking in the comments as well of the West Ham post, and everyone is saying, "Oh, what a good signing! Oh, that's so good! I can't wait for him to watch him play. I can't wait for him to play in a West Ham shirt." Mate, fucking shut up. You're gonna come to the realization that he's just as shit as most other wingers that were really good on FIFA, just really shit in real life. He'll go down in history as one of the best FIFA cards, but probably the worst actual player. He's dreadful in the Premier League. He's a championship player, 100%. I mean, look at the clubs he's been at. Oh, it's definitely not coming back to entry. Definitely not coming back to entry. I should have been doing this for 3 years. For 5 years, I spent 30 seconds to rattle you. Rattle is a massive stretch, bro. It'll be decent under Nuno, mark my words. Oh, shut up, bro. Eddie, don't even say that. You're only saying that because you're a Nottingham Forest fan and you need us to lose. Well, not very well. Well, if we win all of our games, you're under serious pressure, son. So you're talking shit. I don't know how it's gonna pan out, bro. I honestly don't know how it's gonna pan out. Don't know how it's gonna pan out. But we'll have to see, man. We'll have to see. He's making. Oh, honestly, don't reply to this kid. He's been doing it for probably the last 3 years. I've travelled probably about 8 different countries, and this guy's still doing the exact same fucking thing. He said the same thing was in probably the most expensive office in the Wolf, as well as probably one of the nicest villas on Coast Marie Island. Don't feed into the little dude. EU is the most indecisive. Man, on the lower, it's been so indecisive, man. So indecisive. West Ham signed baby or you'll die, bro. Palace and Spurs are going to be dragged into it, yeah. Definitely. Palace will. Mate, yeah, Spurs are in a really bad form at the moment. Awful form. Awful form. But Nuno's shit, bro. Nuno is shit as well. I think he's pretty ass. What confirmation do you need for an exact entry, bro? Well, like what I said before, they're my three main my main three sort of triggers me to start looking at an entry. And I look for a 5-minute trade through on the lower time frame, and I look for price to trade back to it. And my entry is pretty much at this point here, right? On the 5-minute. To give you an example of one of my trades this year. Let me just make sure this is the trade 2-6. That one, it. Oh no, that is it. Yeah, AU 19th, yeah, that is it. Right, so perfect example, bro. This is my trade. This is one of my trades from this year. I've only placed 2 trades. This is one of them. as you can see here on the... Oh, let me move over a little bit. So, a few things. We've grabbed Asia's low. Swept Asia's low. Prior day range. Why has he got no sessions, bruv? Why has he got no sessions before price? Yeah, this is how I... sorry, I'll just go to the entry now. Entry was trade through this 5 minute. You see this 5 minute fair value gap I got off? And you see how price essentially trades through, well not trades through, essentially creates it, and then trades back up, which pushes back through, right? You see how we traded back through? Now I'm looking to enter off of this fair value. Now I normally enter off the 50%. But obviously you can enter straight off the fair value. I'll be honest, the reason why I did enter off the 50% is because my trades are bare minimum 1 to 2s. I won't place anything below 1 to 2s, and as you can see here, this was a 1.18 unless I went off 50% of the fair value, which ended up being a 2.3. So I much preferred the 50% entry just based off that. But yeah, that's an example of one of my trades. I can give you an example of another one of my trades for this year as well. So again, I've only taken 2 trades. That EU, and it was the 6th. Here we go, 6th of Jan GU. Exact same thing. You can't see Asia range. I'll mark it out. Asia range is here. This is Asia range. Excluding this high. This was after Asia. Swept the high. Exact same thing. We saw price trade through the 5 minute fair value gap here. After obviously creating it from this bullish move. And you can see we traded back down. We actually really nearly hit stop loss on this one, but we've got testicles of steel, so we stayed in that one. And then we managed to hit TP, and again, a nice 1 to 2.6 RR, pretty very similar. Nice, lovely TP on this one, very efficient. This was lovely. Trades at least to the best. And I've been trying to find one for the rest of the month ever since, but I've not. Again, boys, it is what it is. If the entries don't come, they don't come. EU's finally started to move. I really want to see silver come back to our entry point here. And I also really want to see gold start to fuck off, which it kind of has started to overreact. We'll say it does though. It's 2:30 in 3 minutes. We've got the New York Stock Exchange open, so hopefully we get a bit more of a better movement from our pairs and our commodities. This is the banger. But it was a really nice entry. Nice one, Aki. Cheers, bro. Yeah, I'll do it after. Not yet, bro. Not yet. It's not actually traded through this. Unless you traded through this 5, close above this 5 minute, then no. Until I'm still waiting until then. Or it could just reverse back off, you know, and just continue down. So I'm not necessarily looking for a reversal yet. I'm just seeing if it's gonna create a reversal or if it's gonna create a continuation. That helps you not get in too early. Find a level that would flip the market's bias, and it would be this 5 on the lower. And then we can start actually using the higher and the lower time frame together. Boys, by the way, if you're on TikTok, come jump on the YouTube. This is mainly where I'm live, by the way. This is our main account. We're actually bare close to 25k. In fact, we might even be on 25k, bro. Let me have a little look, man. Where's my phone? Let's have a look. We're bloody close, boys. We're fucking bare close. Well, boys, come watch us over on there, man. You can see the full screen, man. It's way easier to see and shit. way easier to see. But let's see if we do reverse this. I'm just happy my EG to hit TP. Yeah, lovely stuff, man. EG was nice. It ended up coming down, which was what we wanted. We had this DTO at the start of the day. But after yesterday, man, fuck me, no DTOs. Thank you. Thank you. Would you short EU and GU, or do you think reversal are coming through? I would never, ever, ever... I would never short both, because you're just doubling down risk, essentially. But I would say I wouldn't short EU and GU. I would only look for the buyers. Again, I'm bullish EU and GU, really high time frame, mainly EU in it. But we're seeing that retracement. That's what we've seen the whole of today, is a retracement from the dollar. So we might not even see it today. We might see the reversal move to start moving back up, which is with the main bias tomorrow. But we'll see. We've got FOMC tonight, which could drive the dollar lower if we do have a dovish hold from Powell, which would mean we're holding rates now but cutting later. Yeah, my TP was POC yesterday, so let's have a look. Far away, far away. Oh, lovely stuff. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my days, bro. Did you miss TP like earlier today? Fucking hell. You actually might have, you know. You actually might have. I was looking forward to getting into a EU, because I'll be real, boys. I might just start trading my 200k challenges on live. Just placing these type of trades. I've still got like two 200k accounts. I think I might even have a third. I don't think I've got. I think I've got two. Still going. If we see a nice 5-minute close in the EU and fair value gap, would you enter, even though we haven't had the Friday 50 on DXY? Probably not, bro. The thing is, it's annoying because EU has, GU has a slight divergence there, but I feel like yeah. I thought so. Yeah, I thought so. But yeah, probably not, bro. Again, that DXY comes out Friday 50 is really crucial. Which is a ball ache, man. Like, how have we not come up to it, man? But look, we've got US 2-year bearish, US 10-year bearish, so the bond yields are very weak for the day, which obviously does show we are quite weak for the monetary policy after we get the hold of interest rates later tonight. So wait, it's exciting. Obviously, boys, I think the best times to trade, like to actually get a decent bias, is normally after we have all these fund rates and interest rates from the Fed, BOE, ECB, so we can actually understand where the real bias is coming from. Because then we get a speech from Powell, we get a speech from Bailey, and we get a speech from Lagarde, so we can actually understand where the economy is going. And boys, by the way, if you don't actually look at fundamentals, lock in on fundamentals, man. Lock in. Understand the real market bias. What are you predicting for FOMC? Dovish hold, bro. They're going to hold interest rates. They should hold interest rates. But we're probably going to hear from Powell that we're probably going to cut interest rates. But how Powell normally approaches interest rate decisions and FOMC is normally he likes to see data in order to actually move interest rates. We've actually had quite good US data come out recently. A few bad points, hence why I would say we're holding. We've priced in a hold now for quite a bit of time. So if we do actually cut interest rates, the market is going to fucking dive. We'll see nothing but a bearish move if we cut interest rates. I promise you that. And the market's expecting a hold. I think we're going to get the hold, but I think what we're going to have is dovish. So we're going to see Powell probably say that there's a higher chance of us looking for cuts at next meeting. Well, boys, make sure you've liked the YouTube stream as well, man. How many likes is it on? If it's sub 20, I'm banning everyone from the Discord. In fact, you know what? I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to like up, because I bet it fucking ain't. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to like up. Wish Power had a signals group. That would be insiders trading. That would be fairly illegal. That would be fairly illegal, bro. Yeah, nice, Jess. Do you think Powell enters a trade before his speeches? No, he can't, bro. He's not allowed to do that. He's not allowed to trade the market. Same way Trump's not allowed to trade the market. It's illegal for these guys too. Powell ain't like that as well. Powell's not scum. Powell's an old man. Powell actually is actually sick at his job. It's his second term. The only reason Trump wants him out because he won't cut interest rates. But at the same time, why would you cut interest rates when data's not really telling you to? So he's being a pedo, but Trump don't care. Trump doesn't like Powell, so if Trump finds out that he is, Trump would, because what that would do is that would feed into Trump. That would allow Trump to actually get, the only way you can get rid of someone like Powell in power in the Fed is if they've actually done something illegal. So if he did do that, Trump would not allow it at all, and Trump would say, listen, Trump would get him out instantly. He would be out of the White House instantly. And he'll get fired, and he'll probably get prison time. I'm interested in Powell's secretary. Be a fucking boring old job though, bro. Honestly, stick to trading. Oh, EU, fucking hell, son. We need a closure though. Very key. Are you looking to invest in any crypto this year? I've got some money in crypto, bro, but honestly, mate, I don't look to invest in crypto. I think I've always just had money in crypto, but I don't look to invest. I'd much rather put my money into other stuff. I'd much rather put my money in equity in houses, to be honest, bro, or equity in land. Mainly, just equity and real estate, I think, is just the best one. Live from South Africa, let's fucking go. Come on, bruv. We're what? Richesse actually worldwide, you know. Man said South Africa, that's lit. I'm sure there's a few American dudes in here. We got England, South Africa, and America. That's pretty much the corners of the earth, isn't it? I don't really know geography too well. Alright, boys, we was playing GeoGuessr this morning in the pre-London after we jumped off because the market just weren't moving. Mate, my geography's actually sick. People really underestimating my geography, man. Really underestimating my geography, man, which probably shouldn't have done, man. Imagine though, bro. Imagine. Are you, wait, what's your name, bro? Your name's Dot on here. Wait, what's your name, bro? Dot, I'm gonna follow you. What's your name, bro? Go on here, you motherfucker. Still got a minute and a half for this closure of this candle. We've got the Canadian interest rate decision coming out in about 15 minutes. Less than that, 10 minutes. Less than that. Fucking 7 minutes. 6 minutes. Fucking hell. Let's see what Canada do. They're expected a hold. Oh, you're Riz. Oh, right. Fucking hell, I didn't even know that, bro. So definitely a potential position here. No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't short EU or GU. Not now, anyways. Bro, who else? Who else, bro? Whenever they've got a pen, feel the need to chew it to fuck. Is it just me, man? I can't actually have a pen, bro. All I do is chew it. And these buyers and GU up 2%. Fucking hell, Brad. Lovely stuff, son. They should have a really nice trade for him, GU. Get back! Yes, sir. What we saying, bro? Get back up. Trade through. You know what? For the love of the game, we just fucking banged it on there. Actually, I feel like we've really... To be fair, now we're at this level here. We've kind of got to see if we're going to come through this 15. And I think that would defend us to the Friday 50. I think we're going to have to sort of see some structural change with DXY. And I kind of would be happy to short without the Friday 50 on the dollar. FOMC up or down for EU? Initially, it should be down for EU. And then after news, we should see it retrace back. If it is doggish. We kind of got to see what Powell's going to say, though. Had the 5-minute change entered on the 1. Oh, nice, bro. Nice. Nice. That's actually bare nice, bro. I like that. Yeah, we're coming back to high volumes. We could definitely bounce back off again. Yeah. Right, it's mainly this area. If we trade through, then... Complete different range, though. Well, if we get this trade through, it's going to be really nice, actually. If we do, then we in. I'm going to pop this on the chart just so it's on there. But we still need to see DXY come further down if we want to confirm we buy that Friday 50. Realistically. I get a feeling on that. Give it, man. Right, boys, give me a tune, man. I'm low-key sick of these old bangers. Ironic, but I'm kind of sick of them. I'll tell you what, this is a banger that Josh said yesterday. Let me play this one first. I had the, yeah. Well, H by Kanye. Okay, we're putting that one on after though. Don, you'll get. Do you actually get? No, I think I've already played. Oh no, I think. Yeah, no, I think I already played it on here. You know. Nah, I won't. I won't just in case I'm doing it. That is my thing on TikTok. Seems to just keep getting banned on everything. I've actually not been banned at all this year. At all. Which is actually great. I mean, they have been bought out, so hopefully the restrictions have been like sort of lowered. Let's hope that is the case. No poll. Alright. Oh, is this that guy with his voice? What a weird bar. Oh yeah, bro, whoa. She pretty much ended out. Pretty much. Again, boys, make sure you man are on the YouTube. Make sure you man are subbed up on there. We on 25k yet? Bro, I want to see 25k. We should see it by the end of today, surely. We're getting there, you man. Quarter of 100k. We're a quarter of the way to our plaque. We're a quarter of the way there, man. Oi, sub on like everyone's email, innit? Get your nan's iPad. I know your nan's probably got an iPad like a Kindle. Go on your nan's Kindle and sub to Richesse Effects on YouTube. Come on, DXY. Is this old? How old is this? 8 years. This bear reminds me of our time. Sort of. Is this UK? Is this UK? Can't actually tell. DXY. We're essentially looking if it trades below here and closes below on the 15, then shorts are so valid. If not, then we definitely have a potential chance of legging back up to the prior day, which the EU would leg lower. So that's the only thing I'm cautious for. This 4 hours is so important. I think he's American, bro. Fair play. Oh, hey, broski. Come on, Riz. We're nearly there, you man. Right, how did the interest rates come out for Canada? Yeah, they held at 225. What did that do for GC? Right, Kells is looking at that. What's it saying now? Hasn't actually changed much. Moscow.
You don't do that. What you talking shit for? We got no whistle. Don't pop no pistols. What you carrying a knife for? You ain't gonna stop none. You man are useless. Always been losers. Yeah. Said you a G, but you ain't seen a box though. Yeah. How you man wanna bring it to the bus though? Yeah. Rolling around with the holes in your socks, bro. Yeah. Me and my boys are cold like Moscow. Don't do that. What you talking nonsense? Cause you don't want problems. You better weigh up your options. What you screwing up your face for? Not mad like Branson. From where the Villa Root Blues play. The Burgers and Johnsons. Boy, my G, don't do that. Not thinking you're two-pack. Get sticky like blue tack. From a city like New Jack. Why you ringing on me about?
Bro, in this music video, I can't show it on TikTok, but I'll show it on here, innit? Bro, this is one of the guys is just fucking aiming this strap right at that dude's head. That's it's not even on the. I just realised that's gonna have to go on this screen, isn't it? Oh, I've lost it. Just have to move out of the way. Oh no, you man can't even fucking see it. Right, it looks like we are not gonna be able to short EU yet or long EU yet. The XY's holding this order block, which would say we're pushing to the upside.
Don't do that. Not thinking you're two-pack. Get sticky like blue tack. From a city like New Jack.
Man, that bit's quality. I have to show you, man, this bit. Wait, let me change my screens over. Oh shit. Just did a full screen. Screen 3. Here we go. Here we go. Bro, look. It's this guy with his strap, with a Tommy gun. His face is just like 80-year-old guy's face. That's so funny. He's unneedably got the gun like right up to his fucking face. Wait, who remembers on GTA when that car could that car was actually the Roosevelt? That was actually a hard car. Where the fuck was it? Oh, here we go.
What you carrying a knife for? You ain't gonna stop none. You man are useless. Always been losers. Yeah. Said you a G, but you ain't seen a box though. Yeah. How you man wanna bring it to the bus though? Yeah. Rolling around.
Who remembers this little banger? Hey, bro, who remembers this one, bro? What the fuck? Check EGs, it's still going down. Yeah, buddy. Bro, this used to go so hard. Grand Theft Auto 6 still hasn't come out as well, anyway. Must be coming to the Friday 50, which is actually better for us, really. It's actually better for the long position. 25 bags. Domestic bands. Oh, did I get restricted? Let me restart. To get rid of this pain, I'm always saying, oh boy. Watching documentaries on serial killers, I'm feeling that I can relate. You find that strange? Yeah, okay. Well, let me get this straight. You got me to swap it around, bro. Holy shoot. I still got restrictions. Oh, I do. How'd you get rid of the restrictions, bro? Oh, boys, I'm gonna restart the stream actually. Manchester. Yes. So picture the scene, I'm singing on my corner song for a piece until I got a call. Let me see yourself in the papers, you wanted by the police. And I was like, what? And it was hot. But do you want to know what was a lot? The night before was the night that I went on Twitter. Flare? What's a flare, bro? Okay, she's a flare. What the fuck's a flare? Fuck me, your brothers. I've not heard this shit in so long. Right, come for that Friday 50. Fuck it, let's try to short this back down.
Too many people died.
It's not good enough, is it? Really? We're gonna top tick this. Oh, we actually don't need to though. Hopefully we don't come grab the low. I want to see this come back up. So we can only assume that price is really going to come for this Friday 50. Pretty much what we're looking for, but on EU. I've realised I've just restarted the live, now there's no likes in it, bro. What were you thinking for AUGU though, you man? Or DXY more like? More DXY. Bro.
Forget the mixtape for 5 minutes, we need to delay that, because it's something way bigger and way better coming.
This was hard as well. This was hard. Should be like 5 off now. What's that, sorry, bro? Oh, hey, my fucking G, bro. Nah, broski, man. 25k tonight. 26k tonight, I hear. Wet chestnut roof. Oh, Silver didn't come out to entry. The gold. Oh, okay, actually didn't even come out to breaks. We good, gold's booming. This was Stu's trade, I'm pretty sure. Let's go live for FOMC for a bit if you're free. I might do, you know. We could go. Hey, should we go live for FOMC? We can just all analyse PAL. I mean, I can just analyse it. You man can just take info, take notes. Because I am going to be watching it. I could definitely. Maybe I'll sit on now and analyse. I'm not on. We're literally on the stream from 6:30 to like 9 o'clock at night. That'd be insane. No, but I'll jump back on after if you man. If you man are actually active, I'll jump back on after. That's so unlucky here. That bar is so hard. That's some bar I would say. I'll be honest, my rest day nice, bro. Let me share this link back into the Discord. Oi, boys, I didn't even send the link in, bro. Bro, I didn't even know I didn't even send the link in to the Discord, bro. Fucking idiot. What a donut. Bro's bare training his hands. Wow, broski. Bro, we're gonna sit on gold for a bit. The fuck is DXY doing? Trust me, bro. In it. What is it actually playing at? I'm assuming it's now gonna come for the Friday 50. We're gonna sit on gold and silver. Wasn't able to actually see silver to the entry, but gold's nicely about to come for the all-time high again. GUI FEG valid. Are you looking to short? Are you looking to long? Defo, bro. Look, we come straight back to it again. But I am kind of waiting for DXY to continue back up to the Friday 50, to be honest. I'm just...
Had to question everything I stand for. Still purple rain and maintaining through the downpour. Cold nights, sleeping on the ground floor. I hate my father, I just wish he was around more. Nanny came on a visit and she just broke down. Said she looks at me as if I was her own child.
RIP cadet for real, man. Short, what are you trying to short, Umar? Umar? Kaya, what are we saying in it? What a banger, man.
We were so high last night, and we didn't make it home till like 5:30. And this is real shit, this ain't just the weird talking. Every time I get away, I hear a thing calling.
Are you looking to short GU?
I ain't got like a remortgage. I ain't slept for days, feel like I'm sleepwalking.
Ju's actually moving. Why is it? Ju's actually fucking moving heavy off this. Is DXY coming down? It kind of is. I think DXY possibly could come for that Friday 50. That's something I would be cautious of, innit? Nice, man. Nice, man. OD grow yard, sickies and some jewelers. Living for today, like we ain't got no futures. And I don't really wanna change. Seen so much shit, some shit I don't even wanna say. 99, they said my mommy went on holiday. I found out that my mommy was in Holloway. But home is where the heart is, so I'm loving where I live. And I know most man never struggled like I did. I was coming home hungry when nothing in the fridge, so I had to hit the road like some gold is fucking flying, bro. Absolutely flying. Oh my days, who remembers this, bro?
I spent my 19th birthday in the hospital with my brother and my mum, and I know it sounds dumb, but I felt like I lost it all. The pain's compulsory, suffering's optional. Takeshi's castle, my life's got obstacles. I'm still dealing with a whole load of stress. I see my older brother so close to the edge, and that there put a hole in my chest. And then they tell you home's where the heart is, but I got a hole where my heart is, because I let a hole where my heart is. Never again. I had to tell her that we're better as friends. I never messaged again.
This is an absolute banger. Come on, go for those all times, bro. Think I'm off 4 off FX after 3 years. I'll make more on these 2 than last 2 training at this rate. Mate, who's your top 3 artists? Oh, bro, I couldn't tell you. I'll be honest. Weirdly, I can never play him on live. I just don't think I could ever play him on stream. I don't think you would ever rate it, but Lil Peep is definitely my top 1 artist. 100%, without a shadow of doubt. 100%. Like, when I come off stream, innit, the shit I would listen to, I would mainly listen to Lil Peep. And then, I don't even know what else I'd listen to be honest. Mainly just Lil Peep.
Yeah, didn't see this cake coming. I need this money like this EMA. You gotta separate the rats from the G's. If you can't handle cheese, how the hell you gonna be a great? I need a blazing inferno for my enemies. Behind my back, I know that everybody's sensing me. And I respond, but I don't even have the time. I mean, asking Avelino couldn't help me find the energy. I don't think my ends want the best for me. That's why they question me.
Is he the one with bare tats? Yeah.
Fuck the road, but if anybody's testing me, is one step away like a five-a-side penalty. Every Santander nationwide remembers me. Right pocket full of cards, I'm a referee. Ain't it funny how this money that I'm getting came from fucking people?
What made you stop trading gold? I never really started, bro. I was just trading bare different markets. Really. I'm not in a trade, bro, no. I'm still waiting for the buyers on EU, but I'm just assuming price is still going to come up to the Friday 50 for DXY. There's probably a girl on your phone right now that you hardly text. Just looking for love, but everybody wants what they can't touch, so if you touch my money, you can see what I'm about. You can ask your little sister, I would be inside your house, eating from your fridge, feet up on your couch. To your little brother, butter me a sandwich, spreading evenly amounts. That bar's crazy. I hope we come for the Friday 50. This is our next move.
I'm getting corporate tax on this cash that I'm making, and at the same time I need to vanquish my pagans. If you think it's dead, you're mistaken.
What's Friday 50? It's the Friday. It's the 50% of the point of. Well, I'm trying to explain it in a deeper way. It honestly what it is, bro. It's the 50% of the prior day range. That's what it is. So 50% of the high and low created yesterday. It's an equilibrium level. Price loves to come back to equilibrium levels. Institutions love buying and selling when price is high. They want to sell. Whoa. My G went from blackjack to a blackjack sparrow. I know so many man who got a case on their head that would kill to come home, but their chances are narrow in this world that we live in. Nobody listens. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here?
None of us are trying to play the victim. Any disrespect and retaliation instant. I know a lot of men have been dodging karma and they think it's all laughter till the bitch comes to kiss them.
I mean, that is perfect. I mean, I did want it to be quick, but fucking hell. That's a TP on EU, I guess. It's actually not. What the fuck? What is that spite context? I'm not even too sure, bro. What the fuck was that? Oh, delivery boys. Let's have a little look. What the fuck? I mean, bro, pattern. I mean, it's exactly what we wanted to see. DXY to the Friday 50. But fucking hell, what is going on here? Yeah, DXY broke through. Fucking hell, it molested it. What broker you use? I trade funded accounts. I've got a personal account under Vantage, but I mainly trade. CAD News? Would it have been CAD News? No, we haven't had the press conference yet. It was just the interest rates, and that was fully expected to be a hold. It wouldn't have been that. Fucking hell. Well, on live, me and Lou have been fucking fading the shit out of EU, and it's been successful as shit. Did anyone get in anything? Did anyone... I don't think no one got in GU buys. Actually, I guess they're still alright, actually, the GU buys. Why the fuck did that happen? Let's have a little look. Let's have a little deep dive in, boys. We've been fading EU perfectly today. Right, DXY, chill out, bro. Chill. Right, let's try and find out why it's done that. I'll be MVP like Pablo. I sold GU, to be fair. Oh, lovely stuff. Hopefully GU continues down there. Oh, it is lovely. Fucking hell, we massively lagged on the EU and GU. Jesus. 303, bro. What? I was gonna say, yeah, UJ must have come up today. Must have actually completed the move. So why was that then? What was the reason for that? Yeah, let's have a look. Fucking hell. Right back down to DTO. Right, no one tells Stu. Fucking hell. Come on, man. Lost boys. Hey, it's brand new. And it came with a drum. Got 3R and EU cells. Lovely stuff, bro. Lovely stuff. This is why you tuned into the Richesse lives, man. It's exactly fucking right. Bro, why am I keep getting restrictions now? Keep getting restrictions, I don't like it. Fucking hell, US bonds flew as well. US 2-year bonds flew. EU shorts is about to enter sire. Yeah, man, that's unlucky, bro. Yeah, I bet. Still, yeah. Oh, how annoying, bro. How annoying. Yeah, man, very unlucky, bro. Unlucky, Vish. I think that does call it for today. US Treasure speaking of how strong the dollar is. How strong the dollar is? Are you sure the dollar? Where is this? Let me find this. Or is he just talking about the economy? What, are we talking about Besson, yeah? Have we got anything on PRQ? What's the news candle for? We'll have a little look, bro.
LA Lakers, just incredible. DJ, Sour Milk, and our brother from across the pond, man. You know what I'm saying? West London is here.
West side to the West End. The UK has touched down in the States.
Oh, boy.
Central C is in Los Angeles.
Come on, man.
He came to the LA Lakers show to go crazy and drop some bars on y'all. Let's get it.
You think I'm the one that can bridge the gap? I came to LA to work, but first, where the bitches at, they're telling me tower the highlight room. If you wanna go true, but I bring the strap. Okay. No way could I trust these hoes. I'm taking their phone if we bring them back. I don't wanna get done like now.
I think Trump said something. I think.
Slang my brother, my fam, my act. You say the feds just done asleep. You say the boy them running my gap. You say I'm got no cap. We say swear on your life, don't gas. You say spin the block. We say jump out and slide and crash. Call it machine, we call it a mash. Strip club and they're shaking ass. But in my words, they're shaking yash. We don't trap in abandoned buildings. Shots get hit out of vacant flats. In other words, apartments, hidden compartments get detached. Free all the members that got back. You say what's up, we say what gone. Got shotguns on my farm, we don't eat pork, we say it's haram. We call her Shorty, we call her John. Sexy girl and we call them Len. Back then we would call them Peng. Their words that we got for guns, like wax and skins. You call them J's, we call them cats. There's not much crystal meth bumpers, but junkies booked on crack. Flick knives, we call them nags. Zombie killers, we call them ZK's Rambo Night by the name of Rams. We say cash, B's, racks, G's, we don't really call them bands. In the latest Escalades, in the Enz's Mercedes bands. Watch my back, I'm paranoid. That's what I mean when
Made 5%. Lovely stuff, bro. Going financial dues.
You say y'all, we say you lot. You say restroom, we say toilet. You have guns, but they might be. So man, pull it apart and boil it. If a man buy, they say I'm boil it. Flip yours in a gang, can't join it. We both we crack the same. We fill up the pirates pot and boil it. In London, I'm verified. In NY, I'm valid. 12 hours away, I'm MIA. I can pull up on DJ Khaled. It's only an hour away from the ends. That's why I spend time in Paris. If I pull up on Saturday night, I ain't coming to tour. This ain't Jimmy Fallon. I just pulled up with a chick, bro, said that he hit, I'm a bit embarrassed. All she's getting is dick and Chick-fil-A, we ain't eating salmon. I might hit one time and vanish, I got unlimited funds.
Dallas Fed Services, crude oil inventories,
Controversy sold. I said, how can I...
The thing is, we've got so many banks coming out saying they're really weak dollar as well.
Sat down with a boss and said I ain't signed, but bro, I ain't new to deals. Stood outside of the nightclub, trying to make the trap like kick that backlog. All of my drip from road, they were driving none of this shit from China.
Oh, I bet it wins Richesse, so that's unlucky, man. That is bare unlucky.
My dog them serve like Wimbledon. My dog them smart like Beethoven. I'm from where the jack boys active, fam, don't sleep with your window open. Hoes gon' line man up and get a commission. That shot, give it that whip, that hit, that impact like a collision. I don't care if I'm giving a low to Ruby Rose, I'm in the addition.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a Trump speech.
London is in here, man. Central C. Lakers, baby.
You know what it is, man. Central C. Song Doja going crazy right now. LA Lakers. Hey, shout to the UK, man. This is live from Los Angeles.
Shut the fuck up, man. Jesus Christ. That voice can stop. Still think this is so hard.
You on something? Believe that I will. I'm down to go on this beat, but you got She said it's the thought that counts, but let's be real. You don't believe that shit, and she don't believe that I will. If you can't afford that girl, just leave her alone, it's wise. He doesn't trust this chick with the big boys, that's why he gaslights her and hides her. Just got chased in the whip I put, sang in the car, I'm a survivor. I'm a rider, London, Scotland.
That's a reminder.
We're gonna get him in this bus, 2 out of 3. This one hit inside.
Why is this not letting me fucking log in? It's probably undies. 100%, 100%, MH. What do you reckon? I would say stay away from golf for the time being, bro. Stay away from it.
That girl saying I'm sample size round here, that shit got a whole other meaning. Purple snap, must be teasing, ganging on it, we don't get even when I ain't had no paper, man had hustle and man can't buy that. Rock that seller, supply that, argue, try that man on a Friday. I'm trying to show man, that's my way, but a highway. I see a man from south and the 813 from pussy, he ain't got a fucking rap. Husky niggas are going to hustle. fucking hand, I had to make this happen.
Might give it a feel.
Chevron will export more Venezuelan oil to USA. Cheeky moves for you.
Man's expanded, experiencing.
Let's have a little look though. I want to hear what they actually said.
I'm Congolese.
But even on financial juice, doesn't it say it's coming out with half past? I mean, Trump and Bessant's speech is at... Oh, it's tentative. Oh, okay. Are they speaking now then, yeah? Where are you watching this, EK? Are you watching it? Appreciate the follow, Tony, my boy. Stay away from everything at the moment, lol, trust me. I think next week's the one, though. Next week looks tasty. Bro, Riz, you've really been liking this for the, like... Bro, he's actually done about 5k a night. That's insane.
From the Bible, man, let that go on arrival.
Bro, do you wanna fucking give me the answer, bro?
Man's expanding. Experience.
Nah. Yeah, that's annoying. It's annoying I can't watch it, bro. I can't find it anywhere.
Is my standard what? What I point issues?
Oh.
Father leaves.
Come on, G. It's just actually sick from my forearms. Nice pump. I bet it is, bro. Are you profitable? Yes, bro, I am. Analyze on Zek. Zek? What the fuck is Zek? A crypto. 6 billion market cap. I'll be real. Cryptos like this. That. To be fair, 6 billion market cap. I don't think that these cryptos aren't technical based like at all. It feels. I guess there is because there's a sense of supply and demand. But this has been doing fucking pretty well. Let's do some macro analysis on it.
Mercedes.
Wait, who remembers this? Yeah, bro, it's full ball this shit, bro. This is not the worst thing ever done ever, I think. It does look pretty weak, to be fair, doesn't it?
All these niggas stealing my stock, I get my flow back. Yeah, Bob on that bitch like Kodak. Yeah, bitch you know that.
Yeah, we look weak, but I'll be real, crypto is not really a technical based thing, it's mainly a fundamental base, so I'm not even too sure about that, bro. We should see the trade back now, really. How much fun did you trade and what percent odds something you try to get per year? I normally look at sort of a monthly average, is sort of how I work it. Not like month to month, but more on monthly average. But yeah, I'm currently 800k funded. I've got a couple 200k's challenges right now. I aim for 3% on average a month. I have done that for the last like 2 years as well, not 3 years really, for like last 2 years. 3% on average a month, which is only 36% a year. Some of them I connect up. There's 2 of us that trade the 800k funded. We've got 800k funded together. Bro, I don't know why my trading views like this. I trade 400, he trades 400. So when Kodak jumps on, I've got to forward this, not gonna lie.
Sorry ass beat. I'm from the ugly corner, man. Them little sour ass streets. Now, homie, I know I would let your starving ass eat. You was hungry. I ain't have to let your sorry ass eat. My cousin, she went got out for me.
Oh my days, YNW Melly. I forgot I was even a fucking person, you know. Such a banger. What's the best pair in the Forex market for a beginner? I'll be real, bro. There's no definitive answer for that. There's no pair that's easier. Don't look for easy, bro. There's no easy way out in trading. There's nothing easy. But if you do trade London session, trade EU, GU, EG, GBP, CHF, European pairs, or European pairs against the dollar. New York session, trade Canadian dollar, fucking not Australian, US dollar, pairs like that. Trade Euro, Pound, New York sesh. But yeah, if you trade London, EU, GU, EG, GC, European pairs, bro. It's gonna have the most amount of volume there. My broker with the fibers is lagging so much right now. There is a lack of 5-minute differences. Took 4-hour profit back to close. What the fuck? That's weird. Have you had that problem before?
We gon' pull up with the sticks and hop out with them choppers. They tell that book when they see Yaga. I know I got blood on book when they see Yaga. That's the same melody. Fuck all that talking, we on the wall. Rain man, on the boulevard. I got something that'll put you out your misery.
Yeah, Jay, are you looking to trade London session? If you're looking to trade London session, mate, I would advise Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP CHF for Forex pairs. And if you trade New York, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD pairs. But that's why I like London session. EU, London session, GU, London session. Take 2 pairs, EU and GU, focus on those. Yeah, I'll be looking at buyers on EU. I want to wait for this 15-minute closure, we've got about 2 minutes. Anytime, Jay. Yeah, I'd say, bro, honestly, trade EU, GU. The results I've had the last 3, 4, 5, nearly years has been so much better. You reckon FMC is going to be hawkish? No, not hawkish, bro. It's going to be, they're going to hold rates. What hawkish and dovish mean is what they're thinking going ahead. So when we say hawkish, it could be a hawkish cut. So they could cut interest rates, but they could say we're not cutting interest rates anymore, and that is hawkish because that is going to be bullish because they're not going to be cutting interest rates anymore. Or we could have a dovish cut where we cut interest rates and we're still looking to cut. It could be a dovish hold which I think is going to be right now, which pretty much is when they hold interest rates. But they are looking for cuts in the future, which I think we're going to have a dovish hold.
With the pistols finger melody. Fuck all that they talking, we didn't go to war. When the brain marinated on the boulevard.
Wait, danger, Defo getting ACG. Fucking hell. Of a furball or something. Definitely go for ACG, man. If you're not fond of ACG go, and you're having problems with any other firm, ACG, man.
Yeah.
Boys, use code Richesse as well. We've got a discount code with them. In return, they give us funded accounts that we give away in our Discord. We give away 2 funded accounts every single first month. Sorry, what am I even on about? We give away 2 25k challenges every single first Friday in a month. So, in other words, we're giving away a funded account, 2 funded accounts next Friday. So make sure you're in the Discord if you want to possibly get your hands on one of those, boys.
Do it, I got murder on my mind, bitch. I got murder on my mind.
But let's fucking go, you man. Boys, if you're on the TikTok right now and you mainly watch YouTube, get onto the YouTube. We just hit 25k. Massively fast growing page. Richesse FX, bro.
Fucking homicide. Pennies on the t-shirt up.
Who picked this little sorry ass beat? Bro, is that fucking young boy I can hear? Bro, what the fuck is going on with my chair, bro? Probably motherfucker. You live trading anything now? Not right now, bro. I'm literally about to jump off, to be fair, bro.
Tryna feel no sorrow. Fucking money Carlos.
I've been trying to find some peace and all that gone though. Cost me once, can't call my phone, you get the dot tone.
I've been on fleek, I'm popping.
We stream, every time we stream on TikTok, boys, we stream on YouTube, by the way, man. Stream so much better on it. Looks so much better. Way more people in the chat. Any idea why USD shot up? Well, we apparently just had a Trump and okay, yeah, we had a Trump and a Secretary Bessent, Scott Bessent, the Fed Secretary. I say the Fed Secretary. He's not the Fed Secretary. He's the Secretary of. What's he Secretary of? What's his name? Fuck knows what his title is. But Scott Bessent and Trump come out and said something about the dollar. The US has a strong dollar policy. The US is not intervening in FX markets to support the Japanese yen. Adding that with sound policy, the money will flow in. Why that can produce a sudden US dollar spike? If the market is already leaning short US dollar after Trump's remarks, Bessent's strong dollar policy, no intervention lines can trigger short recovery. So don't think this is a big spike and now we're going to start buying the US dollar, because it's not what it is. All it's done is it's caused a big spike. And now why I love for this to happen is because you all know that we're bullish Euro USD, right? We all know this. We're all bullish USD. We're weak dollar. Max, what's good, my boy? Hope you're well, bro. But yeah, we are bearish. Melly's never getting out yet, bro. He's never getting out. I used to pray for him to get out when I was a kid, bro. I used to love his music. But bro's never getting out. So it's really nice because now we've actually come to some golden zones of our 4-hour range, which is pretty much this Friday range. Just a bit bigger than the Friday range. So yeah, honestly, man, I'm actually loving that right now, and I can only assume that we should really start moving back up now because we've had a deep enough retracement to be happy with. We're just going to confirm that with this 15-minute fair value we was given. But yeah, what setup would you be looking for at buyers EU? Obviously, London session buy, not a New York session. So Asian liquidity sweep of the low and then the buy up is what I'd love to do. What are you trading? This is DXY, bro. I trade Forex. I trade EU and GU. We've already had a few EU trades this afternoon. Capitalise on those. But boys, I'm going to jump off. I've been on a stream for about 3 hours. Like I said, boys, if you man are on TikTok and you're looking for someone who trades live every single day for hours, we've got 2 of us that trade. One trades London, one trades New York. Follow the YouTube. We just hit 25k subs as well. Go follow up on there. Our streams are always on there. There's so much better on there. The whole community is over there as well. So go watch it on there for next time. Also, in the Discord, we always send out the announcements for when we are live. And also, like I said, boys, we're giving away 2 25k accounts next week in the Discord. Next Friday, we're giving away 2 25k accounts. Make sure you man are there. Boys, TikTok, I'll say goodbye to you man first. You man, love you all. You're the fucking geezers. Riz, I appreciate my familia. You know the love, Peruski. You man, see you guys tomorrow, man. Love. YouTube, where my real family's at, bro. See you boys tomorrow. Price has developed a really nice retracement for the DXY and for EU and GU, so I'm really happy for how today's gone, to be fair. Even though there wasn't any real great trades in terms of the real bias, but it's put us in a really nice area for some tomorrow trades. And of course, it is Thursday, it's not Friday, so a lot of us will still be trading. Hopefully, we can get some nice trades. Boys, I love you all to death. You know the love. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow, man. Take care.